This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin rights and enabling two-factor authentication. This prevents lockouts when switching. Once done, export or record asset ID for pages, add accounts, pixels, and catalogs so nothing is lost. Now open business. Facebook. And create a new business manager if you don't have one. Choose a clear org name. Make sure billing contacts and payment methods are on hand because you'll reassign them shortly. This saves time and avoids paused campaigns. Next, you claim pages and verify domains inside Business Manager settings so ownership transfers cleanly. Verification fixes tracking and inbox access. Then add or request ad accounts, note ownership and billing implications, so campaigns continue running. Transfer pixels and catalogs by assigning them to the new Business Manager and add partners or agencies as needed. Finally, assign roles with intent. Give admin rights sparingly and set advertiser/analyst permission. To finish, add or confirm payment methods and reconnect conversion events so tracking and billing flow without interruptions. Once done, run a quick smoke test, preview ads, check pixel events, and confirm page posting and inbox access. Remove or archive old business suite access after validating everything. If something goes wrong, first check domain verification and asset ownership. Most failures are permission or ownership mismatches. If needed, reassign roles or re-verify the domain, then retry the transfer steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.